Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. It is Monday, the 10th of April, almost to the close of New York. Let's get right into it. Let's start with micro oil. So we opened inside the range from Thursday. Recall, Friday was a holiday. Nothing was really put out for Friday in terms of videos because, it was a holiday. Not much trading occurred, if any trading occurred. But we opened inside that range from Thursday, or just barely above or below. It was around this area. Had to move straight up, got to that close, and then we hit this HVA edge, had a little bleed through, and then we came all the way back down, overtook those lows. That is a round trip. So we made highs, came down, met, and then superseded those prior lows, making a round trip. So we did finish net down in oil. As far as gold goes, we did open gap down, had to move up, hit that range low, never got to the close, and then we came down, pretty much consolidated in this HVA. You can see there's plenty of opportunities for potential entries at those edges in gold. Remember, these levels are drawn the night before. These ones are actually drawn Thursday night. They were refreshed for our students and distributed again for them last night, as there was Friday's a holiday, and there may have been some confusion for students as they didn't know Friday was a holiday, hence why the HVAs didn't change from Thursday night's distribution till now. So there's that. As far as our equities go, we opened inside the range as well from Thursday in the equities. Let me get back to that. And it was a choppy progress, but ultimately we did get to that HVA edge, tested it twice, two potential winners if the students took them. Eventually we broke out and made new highs and got to our close from that Thursday. Similar story in the not British pound, my bad, in the NASDAQ here, micro NASDAQ. NASDAQ, though, did have a little bit more of a run to go higher. Initially, they went down and then sideways and then started to climb, as opposed to the ES, where it just pretty much went sideways and then up in its run for the day. But again, plenty of opportunities for potential entries at those HVA edges that were drawn, again, the night before, but in this case, technically it was drawn on Thursday night. Ultimately, we did get to that close. It took all day. You can see it here. This is when we hit that close. It took all day to get there, but you can see that climb and the response at these levels, hitting it for both resistance and support. Boom, 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 boom. Getting close to them. Remember, they're high volume areas, HVAs. That means they're not in high volume exact areas, meaning that you may get that turnaround above it or below it. So it's the general area. But ultimately, we are going to be closing around that close in our equities. It's too close to tell in the ES. We're pretty much right on it right now, so we might be positive or negative for the day's exchange. As far as the NASDAQ goes, unless it gets some decent volatility, it looks like we're going to be closing net down still, even though we already got to the close, but relatively close from where we ended on Thursday. That being said, once more, if you are interested in getting these levels onto your charts the night before your next day's trading activity, or if you're interested in learning to trade futures, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.